Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up Facebook, click on the three lines on the top right, then click on the settings cog again on the top right. Once you're on here, you want to go to See More in Account Center. Then just scroll down to Account Settings and select Personal Details. Then what you'll need to do is select Account Ownership and Control, and then select Deactivation or Deletion. Then obviously select the right account that you want to delete. Then you'll have two options there, so just make sure you select Delete Account. So just select Continue when you've done that. Then you can select a reason if you want to do that as well. Then select Continue. Then again select Continue once you've run through this information. I'll give you a couple of options here. So you can save posts, or you can deactivate instead, download information, and transfer a copy of your information as well. So once you're happy with all of that, just select Continue. Then it will ask you for your password. Then once you've done that, select Continue. Then I'll just let you know on here. Once you've scheduled your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or information that you've added. So if you're happy with all that, just select Delete Account. And that's how you delete your Facebook account.